You want to go for a walk? You want to go for a walk? You want to go in the car? Beatrice and I are just getting ready to go on a walk today. She's excited. She's looking at the neighbors right now because she's super nosy. Come on. Here you go. Be free. Oh. Come on. Come on. Beatrice decided to make us a little present before the end of the trip, didn't you? Is this your present you made me? Thank you. You want to stick? You want to stick? Time to drop off Beatrice's present. Did you have fun on your walk? What are you looking at? What do you see? Thanks for watching, everyone. I appreciate it. Have a good one.